The aim of the simulation is to study the rectilinear uniform motion of a mobile object. For this reason, it is shown as the movement of a car on a rectilinear road of length 300 meters. In the help option, the analytical theory of the simulation is referenced. The parameter v denotes the velocity of the car. The parameter t denotes the time observation of the motion. The parameter SR, simulation rate, indicates the rate at which the motion simulation progresses. We observe the linear and smooth motion of a car. The yellow arrow above the car represents the vector of its velocity. The values of the velocity as well as distance that the car has traveled are shown. The plots of the velocity and the distance traveled versus the time are shown. We observe that the velocity remains constant whereas the distance increases linearly versus the time. We can interrupt the motion simulation. In the questions and exercises section, questions and exercises are proposed. You can solve the exercises and check the correctness of the results with the help of the simulation.